Understanding Arc Welding, an English language guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, arc welding. This topic is not only interesting but also practical, especially if you're interested in engineering or technical fields. Let's dive into the world of arc welding and understand it step by step. Arc welding is a term used in the field of welding, a process used to join two metals together. The word arc, in this context, refers to an electrical arc. This electrical arc generates intense heat, which melts the metals at the welding point. Arc welding is commonly used in construction, manufacturing, and repairs. It's a fundamental skill in many industrial careers. 1. Arc. This part of the phrase comes from electricity. An arc is a physical shape, a part of a circle. In arc welding, it describes the flow of electricity through the air between the welding tool and the metal. 2. Welding. Welding is the process of joining materials, usually metals, by causing coalescence. This is typically done by melting the workpieces and adding a filler material to form a strong joint once it cools. Let's see how arc welding is used in everyday conversation or technical discussion. 1. The workers are skilled in arc welding. They can join even the toughest metals. 2. Safety is crucial when performing arc welding, as the process produces intense heat and light. Arc welding is not just a phrase but a critical skill in many technical professions. It's important in industries like automotive repair, aerospace, and shipbuilding. Understanding this term can help English learners better grasp technical discussions and maybe even explore career opportunities in these fields. I hope this video has been informative and has helped clarify the meaning and significance of arc welding. Remember, learning English can open many doors, especially in technical and industrial areas. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to explore new terms and phrases. Happy learning and see you in our next video.